1579 Remove max number of edges to keep graph fully traversable. This Java code determines the maximum number of edges that can be removed from a graph while ensuring that both Alice and Bob can still traverse the entire graph. The graph is represented by n nodes and an array of edges, where each edge can be of three types: usable by both Alice and Bob type 3, only by Alice type 1, or only by Bob type 2. Here's a simplified summary. 1. Initialization. Create two union-find structures, one for Alice and one for Bob, and initialize counters for removed edges and edges used by Alice and Bob. 2. Process type 3 edges. First, process edges that both Alice and Bob can use. If adding such an edge doesn't create a cycle in either Alice's or Bob's graph, it's counted as used. Otherwise, it's counted as removed. 3. Process type 1 and type 2 edges. Next, process edges specific to Alice type 1 and Bob type 2. Similarly, if adding such an edge to the respective graph doesn't create a cycle, it's counted as used. Otherwise, it's counted as removed. 4. Check a graph connectivity. After processing all edges, check if both Alice and Bob can traverse the entire graph, i.e. if they each have n1 edges. If so, return the count of removed edges. Otherwise, return -1. The union find class is a helper class used to efficiently manage the union and find operations for the disjoint set data structure.